Here's how to stop pop-up ads on your iPhone. Now let's head into your settings. I'll show you how to stop those pop-up ads in Safari as well as Google Chrome if you use that, and another option if neither of those work. So let's from here scroll to the bottom and tap on apps and then scroll down until we find Safari on this list. This is the default browser. A lot of people use Safari when they're on an iPhone, but I'll also show you how to do it on Google Chrome. Now from here, it's fairly simple. Let's just scroll down to block pop-ups and toggle this on, and you shouldn't see any pop-up ads on Safari in browsing. However, let's say Google Chrome is your browser that you're using on your iPhone. It's a bit different in here. So open up the app and let's get to your settings for Google Chrome just by tapping on the three dots at the bottom right, and then swiping over to settings. Now within here, it is the settings in the app itself. So we're not going to go to the settings app, but we're going to go to the settings within Google Chrome. And from here, all we need to do to block pop-ups is go to content settings, and then there is block pop-ups. Let's just toggle this on and then hit the check mark. And then check mark. And now you have blocked pop-ups in Google Chrome. However, this doesn't always work for everything. And if it doesn't work for you, there's another option that will definitely work. Let's just head into a app store here, and then we're going to type in pop-up blocker. You can see a number of different options: the Brave browser, DuckDuckGo, AdBlock Pro for Safari. Essentially, you can try a number of these different ones. You can see in some instances for Brave, 4.8 stars, 570,000 reviews. And you can see at the very top, AdBlock, Web Privacy, and VPN on this browser.